If you're looking for this mother of pearl inlay art lacquer finish 6-panel folding screen room divider, you've come to the right place. If you are looking for this 6-panel folding screen room divider, mother of pearl Asian Oriental furniture decor, this is a masterpiece of mother of pearl inlay art. It has a three-dimensional effect of mother of pearl, and it's been carved out. It's a beautiful design and has iridescent colors of mother of pearl. It's individually handcrafted with unique Korean traditional mother of pearl. It's an inlay technique that has lasted 1,000 years. If you're looking for this one-of-a-kind item, 6-panel folding screen room divider mother of pearl,